Hey all, Rich here, standing in front of our garden plot here. I've been living with my dad for about a year now, and this year I'm getting involved with the garden and stuff, and want to give the Back to Eden method a try. I was inspired by Paul Gautchi and his efforts to, use nature to do the gardening. And if you haven't seen it, check out Justin Rhodes. He does a tour of the of Paul Gautchi's farm and does a great job of just showing how it all works and the benefits of it and everything. But we're here in Beaverton, Michigan, and giving it a try. And Dad and I watched that video, and we're certainly impressed. But me more so than Dad. Dad's a bit skeptical, so we decided to split the garden. We just have a tiny garden here. It's 20 by 20. And we're here in early March, and I've went out and got some free wood chips out at the Gladwin County yard waste facility, and you can just go there. There's piles and piles of wood chips, so I went and got those, and so we're gonna give it a try. And so they're in place now, and I just as the Back to Eden method suggests, you just lay the chips down and you're done. That's not quite true. But yeah, we're going to be adding some nitrogen, and that's going to be in the form of chicken manure, composted chicken manure. And I've got my compost set up over across the way, and I'll show you that in a minute. Yep, so here I am with the compost bins that I'm setting up, and you can see I'm still setting them up, but I started it back in mid-February. It's early March now. And got a bunch of wood chips and some chicken manure, which I've mixed in a pile there. I've turned it a couple times already, but right now I'm just letting it sit and hopefully activate and get warm, because up until now it's been pretty cold. You stick a temperature probe in there and it's, freezing or below freezing. So I'm just letting it sit and hope that it'll activate and get hot, burn off the seeds, and process that chicken manure, of course, and then break down those wood chips a little further. So I'm just holding out, waiting for spring, and I'm ready to give this all a try. But this is sort of the second part of the Back to Eden method. And so you lay your wood chips on the garden, and then you add compost, and that's your nitrogen and other foods and stuff like that. So that's where we're at.